Hey guys, you must have heard the term gene editing. What is gene editing? Now if you read the news, अभी आपने सुना होगा, United States is about to release 750 million mosquitoes near the states of Florida. Now why would anyone in their right mind do that? There is a biology behind it. Let us try to understand that. So we have a very infamous mosquito called Edes Aegypti. This particular breed, species of mosquito spreads viruses like dengue, chikungunya and Zika. You don't want these mosquitoes in human populations because they spread diseases. Now, the male Edes Aegypti is not harmful. They feed on nectar, they're happy. But the female Edes Aegypti, they take your blood meal. They bite you because that is needed for them to produce offsprings. And while they take their blood meal, they cause and spread these viruses. We don't want them. So we don't want the female Edes Aegypti. So you perhaps can't go and select the females and kill them. One way to do is gene editing. So this lab at United States called Oxitec, what they did was they inserted a particular gene in male Edes Aegypti mosquitoes. This particular gene is such that when this male mates with a female, they would produce an offspring which would not mature. The offspring would die on itself. Now that is very curious, isn't it? So that is why they have released 750 million mosquitoes. When these 750 million mosquitoes will mate with female Edes Aegypti, most of them would not produce any offspring that would mature. They would die in their larval stages. This experiment has been tested and tried over years. It was actually first put to trial in Cayman Islands, Panama and Brazil. And finally, the company got allowance to release such mosquitoes in the course of about 2 years starting next year. Isn't it amazing how biology works? But there's a catch. There's always risk. There's 3 to 4% chance that the mosquitoes, even though carrying that lethal gene, survive. What are the other problems that can arise? Think about it and let me know down in the comments.